Here's Nick.
Good Wednesday morning, getting the first glimpses of sunlight on the horizon here as we begin our day. Yeah, it is nice to see. Enjoying a lot of blue sky yesterday afternoon, and today is really the last of the sunny days in our forecast, so take advantage of it. It is a little cold to start, but things will warm up pretty quickly thanks to some of that sunshine as well. Live view from Mount Vernon this morning, looking back into the eastern and southeastern sky. We do have some frost out there once again. It's not as thick as yesterday morning, but still allow yourself some time to scrape off the windshield. Today is the last warm, sunny day. Of course, it is January. We know that the cold air is not too far away. We'll see that arrive back into our region as we head into Thursday afternoon. Out ahead of the front, still mild Thursday morning. Behind that cold front, though, it brings another blast of some cooler air. In fact, by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, more clouds, colder air. It's going to feel like January, possibly even a couple snow showers into the forecast as well. Right now outside, though, temperatures are back into the 20s, a few degrees warmer than yesterday morning, but still relatively cold. 26 degrees in Mount Vernon, 26 in Marion. We've got 30 in Ridgeway, 29 in Harrisburg, 27 in McLeansboro. Anna, you're at 27. Cairo, you're at 28. Princeton, Kentucky at 27. Murray, you're at 30. Mayfield and Graves County also at 30. And down the Purchase Parkway and into Union City, Tennessee at 27 there. Malden, Missouri at 30. And Zalma currently at 26. And we over on Highway 67, Greenville currently at 27 degrees. Winds are out of the south and southwest, pushing some wind chills back into the upper teens and lower 20s. Those winds again out of the south will help warm things up pretty quickly once we head into the afternoon. No snow, no rain to speak of. In fact, very little in the way of cloud cover right now, showing up even close to our region. By lunchtime, we're into the upper 40s. Afternoon highs jump up to about 50. Winds will be a little stronger than yesterday, but still shouldn't be too bad outside. A great afternoon to get outside, maybe do some outdoor dining or grab a chance to go for a walk as well if you've got that opportunity. And as we head into the evening hours, clouds start to build back in. By 9, we're dropping back to about 40, and by midnight, we're back into the upper 30s. So clear skies overhead of us right now. However, out to our north and west, we've got some clouds showing up northwest Missouri back into Kansas. It is out ahead of our next storm system. Now, our next storm system this morning still up into the Pacific Northwest. This thing is a monster storm system, dropping heavy rain and heavy snow through parts of the Pacific Northwest and strong winds as well. In fact, as we see this storm system make its way through the plains tomorrow, they could see some wind gusts of about 70 miles an hour in parts of Nebraska and Kansas on Thursday afternoon. Now, for us, this is not a big rainmaker, but it's going to dip the jet stream out across the middle of the country, and that's going to deliver that next blast of some colder air by the end of the week. So enjoy the warmth today. We're into the upper 40s and lower 50s, a few degrees warmer than yesterday. Looking ahead to Thursday, this is lunchtime. Notice the time here. Here comes the cold front. Out ahead of it, we're into the upper 40s and lower 50s. Maybe a couple rain showers along the front. Once it moves through, though, we'll see temperatures begin to fall back Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening into the upper 30s. May even see some of this rain briefly switch over to some snow. And then looking ahead to Friday, well, there's the return of winter. Friday afternoon highs only into the upper 30s, maybe some snow showers lingering around even into Saturday morning. Not at this point anticipating much in the way of accumulation, but I can't rule out maybe a dusting on some of the grassy surfaces there. Again, that would mainly come Friday evening into Saturday morning. I know, snow lovers, you've got to continue to be patient here. 20% chance there of about a rain shower, even maybe mixing in with some snow as it wraps up Thursday evening. Friday brings a chance for a couple snow showers late into the day. And then Saturday and Sunday feeling like January. Temperatures only into the upper 30s, some cloudy skies, a few more flurries in the forecast. And then early next week, we're back into the lower 40s Monday and Tuesday, and jumping into the mid 40s for Wednesday ahead of our next cool down into the second half of next week. All right, Dave, let's get to our view.